Hello, welcome. Today I will show you how to use criteria logic with conditions and how to resolve the warning that appears when they don't match. So let's get started. I will add the first condition, clause, stage name equal, you leave the custom value, then proposal price quote, and set the criteria logic to 1. This ensures everything is aligned and there is no warning. It says criteria expression was generated. Now I will add a second condition. Let's add a second condition. Discount percentage greater than, let's say 40. Save. But I will leave the criteria logic at 1. Let's see what happens. As you can see, a warning appears. The following criteria were not used in the criteria logic. This is because the criteria logic only matches the first condition. To fix this, I will remove the second condition, leaving the first one. Now, let's remove the second condition. Now, with criteria logic still set to 1, the warning disappears and everything is aligned. Remember, always ensure your criteria logic matches the conditions you have set to avoid warnings. Thanks for watching.